What made you start looking for a new garage management system?
The main reason, I suppose, is probably all having to jump on one system, to be fair. Everyone was trying to juggle between one computer for previous data and bits and pieces like that, so we just needed to broaden everything a little bit, to be fair. That's the main reason.
How have you found the setup and onboarding and training so far?
Really good.
Yeah.
Helpful. Everything's been answered within 24 hours pretty much, so yeah, no dramas with that whatsoever.
So now you've been using it for a week. What's your overall impressions, your first off impressions?
It's good. It's just something that you need to get your head around. It's a change. Change isn't, it's not always easy, but I can see in the future it's going to give us benefits from there. Yeah.
That was what I was there. So even though it's early on, can you see?
Yeah, definitely. You can see where you've been losing out, as opposed to where.
What would you say to other garages that are thinking about switching to TechMan?
Just look at where you think you can gain, and then work off of that. I mean, if you've got more than 3 or 4 guys, definitely something to think about, because if you're all looking at everything all on one system, you're all having to juggle between. It's just awkward.
Would you recommend TechMan?
Definitely, 100%.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.